Planning a romantic camping trip but have no idea what gear you actually need as a couple? You don't want to show up in the woods sharing one sleeping bag and fighting over who gets the flashlight. I've been there, and trust me, it's not cute. So today on OutdoorKitPro, I'm walking you through 16 of the best camping gear picks for couples, from cozy sleeping setups to campfire fun, so you two can focus on the s'mores and the sunsets. Let's get into it. Number 1. Yuzonc Double Sleeping Pad. The Yuzonc Double Sleeping Pad is the kind of gear that makes you wonder how you ever camped without it. It's a double-wide, inflatable pad that comes with a built-in foot pump, so no extra gear, no blowing until you're dizzy. Just a few pumps and you've got a plush, comfortable sleeping surface for two. What really sells it is how fast it sets up and how compact it packs down. Whether you're in a tent or doing car camping, this pad keeps both of you off the cold, hard ground all night. A great overall pick for couples who value sleep as much as adventure. Number 2. SZHLUX Double Camping Hammock. The SZHLUX Double Camping Hammock is the ultimate lazy afternoon upgrade for any camping trip. It fits two people comfortably, and it comes with suspension straps already included, so you're not scrambling for extra hardware at the trailhead. The setup takes maybe 5 minutes tops. It packs down into its own little carry pouch, which makes it crazy easy to toss in your bag. The breathable fabric keeps things cool on warm days, and it's honestly just a joy to lie in together and do absolutely nothing. Perfect for lightweight couples who want max relaxation with minimal effort. Number 3. MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag. If you're camping in cooler temps, the MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag is your best friend. Unlike zipping two singles together, which always leaves a cold gap, this is a true double sleeping bag designed for two from the start. It even comes with pillows included, which is a small detail that makes a huge difference. The waterproof outer shell keeps moisture out, and the compression sack makes packing it down surprisingly manageable. This is the sleeping setup couples actually dream about. Warm, snug, and no arguing over who's stealing the blanket. Easily one of the best camping gear for couples picks on this whole list. Number 4. THTYBROS Camping Cookware Kit. The THTYBROS 17-piece camping cookware kit is like bringing a starter kitchen into the wilderness. You get pots, pans, and utensils, 17 stainless steel pieces total, all organized into a compact carry system that actually makes sense. There's no guessing what you forgot when everything has its place. For couples who like to cook real meals outdoors instead of surviving on granola bars, this kit is a no-brainer. The stainless steel construction holds up beautifully over open flame or a camp stove, a complete cooking bundle that takes the stress out of outdoor meal prep. Number 5. Pcuauld Double Camping Chair. The Pcuauld Double Camping Chair is something you didn't know you needed until you try it, and then you'll never camp without it again. It's a genuine two-person love seat design that lets you sit side by side, which sounds simple, but is surprisingly rare in camp furniture. The frame is sturdy, the fold is easy, and it carries like a regular camp chair. Whether you're watching the sunset, sipping coffee, or just hanging out by the fire, this chair makes it better. It's the shared relaxation spot you'll fight over in the best possible way. A rare and excellent couples-only find. Number 6. KIPIDA Solar Shower Bag. The KIPIDA Solar Shower Bag is one of those products that sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it on a multi-day trip. It uses solar energy to heat your water naturally throughout the day. No electricity, no propane, just sunlight. By evening, you've got a warm outdoor shower hanging from a tree branch. It comes with a hose and shower nozzle, folds flat when empty, and is easy to fill and carry. For couples on longer camping adventures, this is the hygiene essential that keeps things fresh and comfortable out in the wild. Hot showers off the grid? Yes, really. Number 7. Wellgium Camping String Lights. The Wellgium camping string lights might be the single most romantic thing you can add to your campsite, and they're completely practical too. These rechargeable LED string lights are weather-resistant, wrap up compactly, and instantly transform any campsite into something that feels intentional and cozy. Hang them over your tent or between trees, and the vibe shifts immediately. They're bright enough to actually see by, but warm enough that the ambiance never feels harsh. For couples who want that magical, fairy light in the forest feeling, this is your pick. Mood lighting and utility. It nails both. Number 8. Play Tailor Picnic Table Cover. The Play Tailor Picnic Table Cover is a small addition that makes outdoor dining so much more enjoyable. It's waterproof, windproof, and features a fitted design that actually stays on the table, which is more than you can say for most covers that blow off the second a breeze rolls in. Setup takes seconds, and it keeps your eating surface clean and dry. It's reusable, folds down tiny, and works for any standard picnic or camp table. It's not flashy gear, but couples who use one swear by it after their first muddy meal outdoors. A smart, practical upgrade for cleaner camp dining. Number 9. LaFizz Waterproof Lighter. The LaFizz Waterproof Lighter is the lighter you carry when you never want to be the couple that can't start a fire. It uses a flameless plasma arc that's completely windproof and works even if it gets wet, because it's USB rechargeable, not fuel-based. No more buying disposable lighters that die on you at exactly the wrong moment. It's compact enough to fit in any pocket, and one charge lasts through a solid weekend of fire starting. This is the kind of reliable little tool that earns its spot on every camping packing list every single time. Works when normal lighters quit. That's the whole pitch, and it delivers. Number 10. Fly to Sky Portable LED Tent Lamp. The Fly to Sky Portable LED Tent Lamp is your go-to for practical, no-fuss tent lighting at an unbeatable price. It's a hanging LED lantern that's compact, efficient, and comes in a multi-pack, so you can light up the tent, the picnic table, and still have a backup. The LED efficiency means the battery lasts through the whole night easily. It's lightweight and ultra-compact, which makes it effortless to throw in your pack as an afterthought. For couples who want reliable illumination without spending a lot, this is the budget-friendly winner on our list. Simple, effective, and great value. Number 11. Ogre 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove. The Ogre 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove brings genuine camp kitchen performance to any outdoor setup. With dual burners and adjustable flame control, you can cook a full meal, like actually cook, not just boil water for instant noodles. The larger cooking surface gives you room to work, and the foldable design keeps it portable. For couples who love cooking together outdoors, this Ogre is the real deal. It handles everything from morning eggs to a full campfire pasta dinner without breaking a sweat. If you want real camp cooking, the Ogre is the stove to get.
Number 12.
GaiaLoop Portable Camping Utensil Set. The GaiaLoop Portable Camping Utensil Set solves the "where did I pack the spatula" problem for good. It's a compact roll-up organizer that houses all your essential stainless steel cooking tools in one tidy package. Easy to find, easy to carry, and easy to clean. The roll design keeps everything together and protects your tools during travel. It pairs perfectly with the THTYBROS cookware set or the Ogre stove for a fully organized outdoor kitchen. For couples who like a system for everything, this little kit is oddly satisfying. Camp kitchen organization finally solved.
Number 13. Athlete Water Shoes. The Athlete water shoes are one of those camping accessories that ends up being useful in about 10 different situations you didn't plan for. They're quick dry, lightweight, and flexible enough to wear from a rocky creek bed straight to the campsite without skipping a beat. The slip-on design means transitions are fast and painless. Both of you getting a pair means no worrying about slippery river rocks, muddy shores, or sandy lakefronts. These go way beyond camping. They work for beach trips, paddleboarding, and just about any water adventure. Multi-purpose, practical, and genuinely useful beyond the campground. Number 14. Roadmap Camping Coffee Mugs. The Roadmap Camping Coffee Mugs are made for that quiet morning moment at the campsite when it's just you, your partner, and a hot cup of something good. These are large-capacity insulated mugs that keep your coffee warm long enough to actually enjoy it. No rushing because your cup went cold. They're durable, reusable, and built for the outdoors. There's something genuinely special about a proper coffee ritual when you're surrounded by nature. These mugs make that moment feel complete and a little more civilized. A simple, lovely couples coffee setup that earns its place every single morning. Number 15. HGD Fire Color Changing Packets. The HDG Fire Color Changing Packets are pure campfire fun, and they work better than you'd expect. Just toss a packet into your fire and watch the flames shift into vivid, color-changing hues that make the whole experience feel like something out of a fairy tale. They're completely pocket-portable and lightweight, so they add zero burden to your pack. For couples who love a memorable campfire moment, this is a super affordable way to make nights feel extra special. They're also great for groups and kids if you ever bring friends along. Instant magical campfire vibe. These little packets totally deliver. Number 16. Pcuauld Portable Camping Toilet. Okay, hear me out on this one, because the Pcuauld Portable Camping Toilet might be the most underrated upgrade on this entire list. When you're camping somewhere with zero facilities, having a retractable, foldable, portable toilet changes the whole experience from roughing it to actually comfortable. It's sturdy, adjustable in height, and built to handle the outdoors without complaint. It folds flat for transport and is surprisingly lightweight for what it does. For couples who want to push further into the backcountry without sacrificing basic comfort, this is a massive quality of life win. Not glamorous, but genuinely one of the best upgrades you can make. And that wraps up our full rundown of the best camping gear for couples. If I had to pick two must-haves, I'd grab the Yuzonc double sleeping pad for the comfort factor and the Wellgium string lights for the vibe. All the links in the description below. Go check them out. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which product caught your eye? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know.